Hello everyone, this video is very helpful for bloggers who don't know coding because in this video we are going to create a blogging web page using ChatGPT. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to get notified about our latest AI tutorials. Let's jump right in. Here is our design blueprint that I created in TL a whiteboard drawing website. We have got a sample blog name, blog topic, the full blog content. Here are some essentials buttons that needed in a blog post like close, subscribe, like and share. And all are arranged in a box format. This is what we are going to give to ChatGPT as an image to turn this design into code. Let's export it into a image format like PNG in a transparent mode. Now let's open up ChatGPT. First you have to log in here. For those who don't know it, ChatGPT is a generative AI tool by OpenAI that can generate human-like text and code. Today it's going to help us build our blog page. And it's free for everyone. You don't have to subscribe for its plus version for uploading the image. I'm attaching our design image to ChatGPT. Here is our design image that I exported from TL. Here I am pasting my prompt that I had written, and in this prompt I asked ChatGPT to generate a complete code for my blogging website. I write here, please use HTML, CSS and JavaScript to create a complete web page for my blog. All the details of blog are in image, like colors, buttons, etc. Let's hit the enter button and see the magic happen. And this prompt will generate the HTML, CSS and JavaScript combined code for our site. Look at that, ChatGPT is generating full code for us. Let's copy this code and move to our code editor to test it. Here we are in our code editor. You can use any code editor you want or a simple text editor like Notepad. I am creating a new file named myblog.html and paste the code we got from ChatGPT using Ctrl+V and click run button. This is awesome. The website looks great and the colors match our design. The buttons all are here, and when we click them we get alerts in response. Okay, let's make this more functional, like giving a function to the button when we clicked it. Next, I will write another prompt to ChatGPT to modify the code. In prompt, I am writing can you add button functionalities like close button, close the page, and subscribe button, change the color to green and text to subscribed, like button, change the color and text to liked, share button, show a pop-up of sharing option like Twitter, LinkedIn and etc. This time we added some functionalities so that the buttons change their colors and text when clicked, and let's see what ChatGPT comes up with. Perfect, it takes the time but ChatGPT has done it again. Here the default model of ChatGPT is GPT-4o, the latest one. And okay, I will copy this updated code for a test again. Now I will paste the updated code into the same file that I created previously and press the final run button. And there it is. The buttons now change colors and text, and share button show a pop-up as mentioned, and close button not working because it's a single page, and everything works perfectly. Let's run the file again and see the magic again. The design I created in TLDraw and these are the same. ChatGPT has a great vision, so we can create a full web page using simple UI design. Also give functionalities to this web page. You can create any website using ChatGPT and also make functional and modify it according to you. Not the one page. You can create as many pages you want and link them like home page, about, contact page, etc. That's all for today's tutorial. We have created a fully functional blogging web page using ChatGPT, complete with interactive buttons. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to Code with AI. Drop a comment if you have any question or suggestion for future videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time.